So the word of the day today is fet.
I feel like somewhere in there I was having a monologue earlier about fetes, and that is fetes in season. So we're at a fet. That's all I got.
Don't judge me if you see me out on the road getting on crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Like if I losing my sanity. Yeah. And don't judge me if you see me in a fet and me behavior dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Getting on stink and nasty. Nobody can stop the bacchanal. We run the carnival. Wait till you see we on the road. Tell them this behavior nothing. 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 We behave it dirty. Place it over. We turn it over. Chance it over. We turn it over. Set it over. We turn it over. Everything turn over. We turn it over. Trinis love to party. Love to get on dirty. Any way you see we behavior scandalous, go ask anybody. If you see me on a staggering, don't judge me. If I climbing up on something, don't judge me. If you see me misbehaving, don't judge me. I don't really care what they want to say. Tell them this behavior nothing. 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 We behaving dirty. Place it over. We turn it over. Chance it over. We turn it over. Set it over. We turn it over. Everything turn over. We turn it over. Caribbean people crazy. Harder timing. Fitzy. Lucha. Grenada. If you see me. Jamaica, Barbados, Antigua, VI. If you see me on a staggering, don't judge me. If I climbing up on something, don't judge me. If you see me misbehaving, don't judge me. I don't really care what they want to say. Tell them.
Okay, I'm turning down the music for 2 seconds. And that is fetting. And that's how you fet. Thank you. Good night. I feel like my voice is going, but that's fine. It's home time. Goodbye. Don't drink and drive. Drink water. Fet responsibly. I don't know. Party in the rain. Partying in the rain is fun. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm home. I don't know why I keep end up in this position, but I'm home. I'm gonna put on one last thing of say. That was actually really good all inclusive. The food was there. It was okay. Trying to recommend, obviously. But the vibes are there. Okay, for real this time, goodbye. I'm ending this vlog.